I don't think she's too hungry. She still has bread by her side. So I would just not, I wouldn't give her any more bread.
Oh, well, look at the case. Because what if she got hungry?
Well, she got enough bread there,
Yeah.
as you can see.
See, it's a gift. Every time I do this, it reminds me of something in the Bible.
Yeah.
Like, you know, remember Jesus, when baby Jesus was born?
Yeah.
And then they gave gifts to her?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it reminds me of.
Yeah. Well, there's Father Goose over there. He's not stepping away too far. He's the guardian.
Very nice. Lucky day. I don't think we ever. Maybe the time later.
All this, we spent $1.18 or something like that, and we dedicated that money to nature.
You spent almost $2. We bought 3 of those bags.
Yeah. Like, we spent like less than $2, like $2.
There he goes. He's chasing them away. Look at him again. They're getting too close. So he's chasing them away. He doesn't want them to go around the back to scare the mother goose. So he's protecting the territory in the back. You see him? He's smart.
Wow, look at him. He's swimming away.
He takes no chances.